Hello guys, and welcome to whatever I'm doing on social media. Today we are going to make some candles. Today I'm making Waxmelt inspired by this perfume. This is Lancome La Vie Estebe. You guys have seen me, wearing this perfume on my video, perfume of the day, of course. So the Waxmelt I'm gonna make today is inspired by this perfume. Okay. Like you guys know, I use soya wax, nothing but soya wax. I have over 20 kg right now ready to pour. So I'm just gonna pour my wax here, right here, on this stuff, melty stuff, I call it. I have measured my fragrance oil. They are there, the fragrance oil I'm about to use, which is the fragrance oil inspired by this La Vie Estebe. Don't think I have told you how many percentage I use for my scent. I use 8%, just in case you want to know. But depends, again, depends. Okay, yes, I have a stable supplier when it comes to fragrance oil. I use the award-winning made in UK fragrance oil as well as wax, because when it comes to my candle, it's on period. This is what I use when I'm pouring. You have seen this when I'm doing my short videos. And once this is all fully melt, I'll pour it through this, do my measurement on my scales. Then I got my temperature monitor here. The room is already, like, you guys have no idea how this room is smelling right now. If you are familiar with this perfume, just visualize how this whole area is smelling right now. Anyway, then I also got a digital monitor, because traditional monitor, I mean temperature monitor, and also digital. Don't try this at home. See, I will give you some laser stuff. Okay, these are what I've got. Then I got my wax, my melt case, and they are ready to go. I will just lay all this in table one by one. Okay guys, I have poured some from the pot to the pitcher. So I will use the traditional one as well, because I like to double check my temperature to make sure we are on the right track when it comes to this business. Because the reason why the temperature is very, very important when you are making your candles and wax melt is, if you pour your fragrance oil when the wax is still like 180 degree or whatever degree it is, it will just burn off the whole fragrance. So when you light it or when you are doing your melt, it won't last long. So people rave about my candles. This is not even a joke or a brag. So let me just double check the temperature again. Yes, we are under 60 on the right temperature before I will pour the fragrance oil. So when I pour my fragrance oil, I will stir for 2 minutes. Okay, I will stir as I'm just stir for the next 2 minutes, is to make sure the fragrance oil get like that introduction. Okay, then they will get to know each other, go on a first date, plan wedding. Basically, they will become couple. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think it's about 2 minutes now. Then I will get my pouring stuff. These guys, I like using this. This is what they use, the baking guys. If you look at what they use, the mold is almost similar to what we that make candle also use. So this is so precise. That is why I went out of my way to go and get this. Initially, when I first started this journey, I was using, you know, this guy. But later on, I thought, you know what, because I will make a mess of the whole house. Wax is so terrible to clean from the floor. So then I went to get this. And yes, there we go. Now that that is done, I will just transfer the whole thing into this whole stuff. Oh my God. That's it. Then the next step for me is to start pouring. I think I will start from here. Just continue pouring. This part I love. It's so satisfying. You guys have no idea. Now I'm doing this. It's just so gorgeous. So yes, we are running low, and I will transfer the rest into the pouring pitcher. There we go. Yes, as I'm doing it now, everything seems to be very clean and all that. But by tomorrow morning, when everything is set, I will see wax everywhere. But wax is just so stubborn to get, to clean. It just like very stubborn thing. I'm dying of the, oh guys, I'm dying of the scent. It's a pleasure for me. I got to get involved, get my hand in everything, from the wax, selecting the wax, the fragrance oil, the wick, the jars. Like this, I tell you, my candle line get me busy. They get me busy. Like I can't keep up with these girls. I'm not even gonna lie. They are difficult. I can't keep up with them. So yeah. So I'm just gonna go and sit down. I will come back maybe half an hour's time to make sure she's fully has cooled down. Then I'll come and add the fragrance oil, then continue. You want to know? I need to fill all this. These are the cases. Do you want more? There are more. Do you want extra more? There is more. You want more? There is more. These are over hundreds in total. So, and then yeah, I need to feed them all so we can now put them all back in on our website. So yeah, guys, I will see you about half an hour. I will let this get to cool down. Okay. Oh no, I overfilled that. Jeez, I'm tired now. My bed is calling me. I overfilled this one here. The wax just went on the table and everywhere. So yeah, that needs a total wipe up. What can we do? Let's just continue. Oh my. I still have a fully melt in here because I just keep doing. The one I made previously, they have settled now. I'm just gonna, take you on board with that. So I'm just gonna kind of flip the camera around and show you, what I've made before. Or I will just let it set and show you everything. It's not easy. It's 12:15 at night and I'm still here in my cooking area. Just never mind the mess. I'm gonna clean up tomorrow. So let me check the temperature of what I've got. I have finished making just one fragrance out of 8. waxmelt I have in collection. So as you can see, everywhere is a mess, just like so. Yes, these are the one I have made tonight. Yes, all these are just 1 cent plus these guys here. Yeah, so I'm really tired. I have been awake since 6 a.m. this morning doing makeup and other stuff. So when you don't see me posting on social media often, yeah, this is what I do. Just engage myself doing either doing makeup or doing this. So yes, I'm going to go do my skincare routine, and yeah, tomorrow it will be about cleaning up everything, labeling everything, whatever I can. If I can, start taking picture and advertising them on social and everywhere. That's what I would be. That would be the job of tomorrow. So yeah, we haven't got the time, sadly, but it is what it is. So yeah, good night, guys. I know most of you guys will be in bed now because it's about 17 minutes past 12 midnight. So good night. Try. Bye bye.